Hey everyone, so in this video we will learn what is programming language and types of programming language. So before understanding the types of programming language, first we have to understand what computer understand. Okay, so computer understand a binary language. Uh, Binary language means it is in the form of 0 or 1, but actually it is not like in memory they will write 0 or 1 in the memory. No, there is no concept of like this. So computer understands either switch switches on or switches off. Okay, so what is the mean of switch? So computer understand either current is flowing or computer understand current is not flowing. So in memory, it is a series of flip-flops, legs of flip-flops, which determine whether the current is flowing. If that particular flip-flop is on, that means it is a 1, or if it is off, that means it is a 0. So computer understand a binary language. Binary means either 0 or 1. There is no third option in that. That means computer understand its own language. It's called a machine language. It just my current is flowing or not. So computer understand a machine language. Now we will see types of language. Now we know that computer understand machine language. So suppose if you want to write a program to teach a computer to say suppose addition of program, and if you want to write that program in a machine code, so we have to write zeros and ones, and it will take around weeks and months to write that program. So for humans to write a machine language, a machine code, it is very tough. So that's why in early stage of the computer development we introduce a assembly language. Assembly language means a processor language, or processor understand or computer understand. Like suppose there is keyword like add, subtract, division, this kind of keyword like put or something. So add means 5 plus 6, subtract 2 plus 1. So this is the assembly language above the machine language. That means from a assembly language we can convert to a machine language. So assembly language, if you put to a assembler will convert into the machine language. Then there is a middle level language. Middle level language means C++. These are the language which deals with the memory location, which deals the pointers. It can point to a particular memory location. It can access data from a particular memory location. So this is a middle level language. To write code in middle level language, it's easy. It's not that much time taking, and it is easy to uh, uh, code also. Yeah. So so to convert a middle level language to a machine language, it's called a compiler. So if you put C language into a compiler and linker, it will convert in the object file, and after that object file you will convert into the machine language and executable file. That means writing code in assembly language, it's okay. Writing code in machine language, it's very tough. Writing code in middle level language, it's quite tough because it is very dangerous. It is not secure. Why? Because if you are directly dealing with a memory location, and if we corrupt that memory location, then the whole program may be aborted. So that's why here comes a high level language. Suppose if you want to write add 5 plus 6, you will write 5 plus 6. So it is very easy. In our school time we learned how to write. If you want to write 5 plus 6, we can easily know 5 plus 6. Suppose if you want to subtract 2 minus 1, so we will write 2 minus 1. So this is a high level language. We will put high level language into the compiler. that particular language compiler, maybe Java compiler, Python compiler, they will convert into a machine language and executable code, and computer understand this machine language only. It can only execute a machine language, cannot execute high level language or middle level or assembly language directly. It execute a machine language at the end. So writing a high level language, it's very easy. It's writing an English code. So this there are three types of language. One is assembly language, one is middle level language, one is high level language, and the machine language is the core part of all the language because computer understand machine language.